Hi, Jim Malone, Executive Editorial Director with IDG Enterprise here. And joining us from Beijing, China is Qi Qinfeng, General Manager, the Department of IT System Management and Data with Travelsky. Mr. Qi, welcome.
Thank you.
We're here to talk about the transformation of IT within big companies. Now, we've seen the big trends that have driven the change the way information technology is delivered. How has that affected the way your department at Travelsky functions?
You're right. With the explosion of the anything as a service model, it do act very much on our department functionality. Meanwhile, the flexibility of the IT is also the basic for business development. The new model of business must be relied on the flexibility of infrastructure, and so I think the model do affect our functionalities. Because IT is aligned with the business strategy. So in the past, the IT infrastructure is not so flexible, and we cannot use the resource very effective. And so today we want to increase the resource efficiency to save the cost. So from this point of view, I think flexibility for the data center and for the IT is very important to our business and to our strategy.
Now, Mr. Qi, how have things like virtualization, mobility, cloud computing, and then social media, how have they driven IT transformation at Travelsky?
Good question. In the past several years, we have implemented virtualization for our IT infrastructure to try to increase the resource efficiency, to cut cost, to increase the profit for our business. And I think virtualization has progressed very good for Travelsky. And we, in the last several years, we have accomplished more than 90% virtualization for our x86 platform. And today, I think we are trying to move on to private cloud computing. Because, I think based on the virtualization, we already have the ability to implement private cloud computing.
Mr. Qi, today an IT department within a business, it's almost like its own business. It has to compete with other IT providers outside of the company to provide what your business folks want. Is that dynamic in play at Travelsky?
Yes. For Travelsky, we also need this kind of similar competition. And my department is kind of the IT department in Travelsky. We provide internal IT service for other business department. And today, with the business development, with the competition, and business department want to outsource their application, maybe to other IT service provider. And if I want to continue to provide a service to our business department, I need to cut resource and to improve the IT functionality and to increase our competition ability. And in that way, maybe I can continue to provide a service for the internal business department.